We are discussing how to send Word document file from WhatsApp to laptop in this video. Maybe a friend or a colleague in the office sent you a document file through WhatsApp contacts and you want to transfer that same file to your laptop or your PC. So let me quickly guide you on how you can do that, okay? So let's get to our iPhone straight away. The first step is to access the WhatsApp contact that sent us the Word file. So I'll tap on WhatsApp, then tap on the contact. Now this is the document file named Tech Tips. So I will tap on the download icon on the document for it to be downloaded first and made available on the WhatsApp ecosystem, okay? Now that it's made available on the WhatsApp ecosystem, long press on the document. Okay, we are now given some options. We have star, we have reply, we have forward, we have pin. Select the forward option. Now, you can see the file has been selected. You can see the arrow that points up at the bottom right, okay? That's the share icon, all right? Tap on that. Now, this gives you some options. Our interest is to save this file on our iPhone first. So swipe up and then select the option Save to Files. Then tap on my iPhone, okay? If you find yourself in another folder, just like as I find myself in Excel folder. So tap on my iPhone. Good. Then save it by tapping the Save button, all right? Now, this file is now saved locally on our Files app in the iPhone. So let's get to the home screen. There are some apps that allow sharing of files from iPhone to another device. Here our interest is to send this file now that we saved on our iPhone to in our PC, okay? So we want to share the file with our PC. Okay, so we need to install an application that will allow us to share this file. Some of the applications that can allow file sharing between iPhone and PC are Microsoft Word, Excel, and Xender. So you can get any of them, but here let's work with Xender. So I will open the App Store. So open yours from your end, okay? Then search Xender, alright? Okay, you can see I have already installed this on my own device, and that is the reason it has the open button. So install Xender from your own end, alright? After that, get to the home screen of your iPhone. Okay, on this home screen, locate the Files app. You can see the Files app here, so tap on it. Now you are now on my iPhone location, but maybe if you find yourself here, listing all the locations of your iPhone, select on my iPhone because that's where we saved the Word document file. Okay, now you can see on this iPhone, it lists some folders. These folders are created because we installed some apps on this our iPhone. You can see Xender here. Because I installed Xender on this iPhone, a folder is automatically created for it. All right. Likewise, you can see Word. Likewise, you can see Excel. These apps I already have them because they allow me to share files and I work with them as well. Okay, so they create folders automatically on the iPhone. Okay, now let's locate that our Word document file we downloaded from WhatsApp. So look at it here. That is the tech tips. All right, long press on it. Select copy option. Then get to the Xender folder, tap on it. As the Xender folder opens, long press on an empty space. Then select paste. Good. Now we know that this Word document file is in a folder named Xender. So let's get to our PC and complete the rest of the processes. Because from there, we will pick this tech tips document and save in our laptop. I am on my PC running Windows 11 operating system. You can see the background image here, okay? So we need to install an application on this PC that will allow us to transfer that Word document file that we already downloaded in our iPhone to this PC. So open the Microsoft Store. Look at the Microsoft Store here. So I'll click on it for it to open. As the store opens, click this search bar area and search for iTunes. So type iTunes and search, okay? Okay, look at the iTunes app here. It states installed. So if you're using it for the first time, just take your cursor here or click on it for it to open fully and then hit the install or get button, okay? Once you're done with that, use the cable you use in charging of your iPhone and connect your iPhone to your PC. All right. Then after that, open it. Immediately you connect the cable to the PC to establish connection between your iPhone and the PC. On your iPhone screen, you may be requested to allow the PC access. Please allow the access, okay? And as your iTunes app opens, as you can see like this, I'm on the iTunes app, click on this phone icon. Then you have an interface that looks like this. Click on file sharing. Then these are the list of apps that can share file between your iPhone and the Windows PC. And remember, we saved our file in a Xender folder. So click for Xender, all right? This displays some files. And look at this, our document file here. So click on it for it to be selected and click Save. Now this opens the File Explorer of your PC automatically. Just to choose a location where you want to save the document. So I want to save mine in the Documents folder. So I'll click on it. And finally click on Select Folder. And now this document file is saved in this folder. So once you open your File Explorer and then click on Documents, you will see that document file here. You can see we name it Tech Tips. So it's that simple, and that is how you do that. I hope you find this guide helpful. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to my channel by hitting the subscribe button. We discuss more on technology on this channel. So as you subscribe, you get more notification about things that have to do with tech. And many things in the world of today revolve around technology. So learn as much as you can, okay? Hit that like button for me for the video to go viral and leave a comment. So learn more on tech. Watch this video. See you next time.